guys, Kirsten here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Just wanted to show you one of our newest used vehicles. This is a 2019 Chevy 2500 Duramax. Let's take a peek. At the front of this truck you have your chrome bumper as well as your chrome grille. This one has your park sensors in the front here as well as tow hooks. And then underneath the hood, it has a 6.6 liter Duramax engine as well as an Allison transmission. On the side of this vehicle, it has 18-inch chrome rims. This one has your tow mirrors, your chrome door handles, as well as your cab length chrome running boards, but we'll check out the back. At the back of the truck, you have your chrome bumper with your built-in park sensors. This one has your hitch receiver, 4 and 7 pin wiring. You have your spare tire under the truck there. This one has a built-in backup camera. Dropping the tailgate. This one has your spray and bedliner as well as a fifth wheel prep, and then you also have the step in your bumper to get up into your truck. On the inside of this truck you have the really nice leather heated and cooled seats as well as a heated steering wheel. This one has tons of space in your center console. It also has a couple USB plugs as well as an auxiliary port and a 12-volt plug-in in your center console here. This one has a wireless charging pad on the top, your cup holders, and then there's tons of storage down here as well as a house plug-in, a couple more 12-volt plug-ins, and a USB plug-in down here. And then you have your 2 glove box areas, so you have tons of storage space in the truck. This one has your touch screen. It is navigation ready. And then this one also has like your exhaust brake, your hill descent control, your park sensors that you can turn on and off, and then your your bed lighting, your traction control, and then your power adjustable pedals. This one has your dual climate control, as well as a built-in trailer brake controller on this side and power folding mirrors, but we'll check out the back. In the back of this truck you have your nice leather seats. You have tons of storage in the back of your 2 front seats, a 12-volt plug-in in the back for your passengers, tons of storage up front. There is also tons of storage compartments as well as a cup holder in your doors here. And then there is additional cup holders in your flip down armrest. And then these seats fold up, giving you tons of storage down here. And then it also comes with your all-weather floor mats in the back. All of our used vehicles here go through a full AMPIC inspection from our journeyman technician. If you're interested in 30+ pictures and pricing of this truck, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.